Welcome back, everyone, to another dealer auction walk around. Darren here for Fuzzy Dice Motors. It's a beautiful, beautiful day here at the auction, and we're going to go ahead and take a look around here and see if we see anything of interest. Let's go. Well, folks, what do you think about the old Scion Xbs? This is a 2006 Scion Xb, 194,000 miles, and these were such strange vehicles, such a huge departure from everything. Do you think at some point in time someone's gonna say, hey, these are so weird and strange that they're worth something? Or are these gonna be always just forgotten and discarded? Because I do not have a crystal ball and I cannot read what the market's going to be in the future. I just know that they were just so odd, so strange. You know, it didn't matter what time period. This is a manual. These have tons of room in them, and you got all your gauges up here on the dash up there like that. And that one little, see, everything down here, there's nothing. Everything's incorporated up there. If I can get this door open, we'll look in the back. Look at the leg room. Look at that. I don't know what the heck this is. So I'll go ahead and get in here. That sun's washing out the video. So I'm about 6'1", and I can completely stretch my legs out. There's some more of the strange interior that the sun is trying to wash out. So yeah, please feel free to comment down below. Do you love it? Do you hate it? You think it's ever going to be worth anything, or is it just going to be discarded and forgotten about? Yeah, okay. I found this on the back of a Chevy Cruze, so yeah, I kind of had to. 1981 Camaro, and yeah, she's rough. I don't even know where to start. Of course, the grill's missing. We've got the paint is a train wreck, different aftermarket hood. Grill's gone, LEDs, paint's chipped, gone. Does have T-tops though. It says 10,000 miles. Of course, you know it's 110,000 miles or more. I don't know if this has just been turned into a drag car or what, but got a Holly Equip sticker on the back. I mean, it's all here, but boy, oh boy. We're gonna go ahead and I'm probably not gonna mess with that hood. I am curious what's under there, but I just think I should probably not go down that road. I've had 2 or 3 people over here willing to jump in there with me. I might, but we will. Okay, we can't even open the door. So we got an aftermarket gauge up here, aftermarket B&M shifter. I'll get it here in a minute, folks. Actually, the seats look to be in good condition. The center console, I don't think is original. It's in good condition. The back seat's in good condition. So get you guys in there the best that I can. But it definitely is going to need some work on the exterior. And so I don't know what's going on under the hood. I do have a sneaking suspicion that it's not the original motor. This is probably fiberglass. Yeah, that's a fiberglass hood. Definitely not stock. Who knows? There could be a 383 stroker under the hood, and if there is, and it's in great running condition, Well, that's a whole different thing, because then it's like, well, okay, I can run this into the body shop, and I can have somebody put a coat of paint on it. As long as everything works, good motor, good transmission, good differential, all that stuff. But yeah, who knows? Who knows what you're getting yourself into? You'd want to dig a little deeper and get some better information on this before you made a bid, because it could be something good or it could be something else entirely. Moving on. Well, with the exception of the Corvette, nothing's really just driving me crazy out here that I just got to have or drive. And usually what happens is all the really over-the-top cool stuff comes in after hours, comes in after I leave. Like around 6, 7, 8 o'clock at night, or even later. That's when everything shows up. If you guys see anything that I'm missing that needs to be seen, go ahead and let me know. Because as of right now, I'm not really seeing it. I mean, yeah, okay, here's a truck with gigantic tires on it, but I mean, I don't know. I don't know. We're gonna keep looking. So, okay, I kind of cheated. I saw this 2013 ATS Cadillac, and I just jumped in it, check engine lights on, and it's a little 4-cylinder, which for me, that's strange for a Cadillac. And interior's in great condition, seats are in just perfect condition, all kinds of bells and whistles, because it's a Cadillac, but man, it just sounds weird. Can you hear that? Yeah. Got a low back tire, 26 pounds. Got a fuel range of 132 miles, but I don't know. It does not sound good at all. Wow. Yeah. I don't know about this one. Boy. I'll go ahead and show you. I'll show you guys around the car. So even with just 128,000 miles, I don't know if it's just an exhaust leak or if it has major problems. And I'm not a Cadillac expert, especially not on these newer ones. I say newer one, that's 2013, 11 years old. Almost 12. Chips on the door right here. Yeah, it just did not sound right. It may have just been an exhaust leak. But I don't know. I mean, maybe if you had a nice 6-cylinder in it, that would be one thing. But gee, for a Cadillac with a little tiny 4-cylinder, see that back window right there has been left down a little bit, and we've just had some big rain. So I'm gonna go in here, do the right thing, get that window up, and then we're gonna move along. I'm really wanting something to kind of reach out and grab my attention. This Dodge Caravan is not it. This is some kind of a Chevy Colorado pickup, 2020, 54,000 miles. But okay, I'm not gonna walk down every one of these vehicles and bore you folks to death. If I can't find something of interest, then we may have to close out this video. Well, folks, I'm inside a 2007 Mini Cooper S. Check engine light is on. Got the checkered racing flag here going. It is a manual. It is an S. 162,000 miles on it, I believe. And it is not doing so good. This is kind of cool. Got the old Union Jack up here and in the back as well. Got all of our buttons up here. Got our cool little toggle switches down here. CD player there. And, oh boy. She's not happy, folks. Oh, here we go. It's stuttering and stammering and sputtering and spitting and clamoring and carrying on. And we're going to go ahead. We're going to let her rest here. Man, that's a shame. That's a shame. Because there she is. It's a good looking little car, man. I tell you, I love that 05 that I had. I ordered a brand new 05, had it custom ordered. Got updates from the factory over in Oxford in England, and had a blast with it. This has your dual sunroofs, got some aftermarket wheels on it, which don't look too bad. It's got the stripes. Got 162 on it. Got the Union Jack here on the windshield washers. I like the black and white. I guess it goes back. This car is going to sell for very, very little money. Really high miles for one of these cars. It's not running worth a damn. Parts are expensive because BMW makes these now, and well, they have since like 02, 03 or whatever it was the first year that they took it over. So yeah, parts are not going to be cheap, unfortunately. You're going to pay BMW prices for the parts. But yeah, it's a shame. Okay, this is a nice little touch here. And we got, oh, okay, maybe we got a tune on this. So who knows, maybe we're operating at John Cooper Works levels. I don't know. And look at this here, another small touch. On this orange light right here, there's your Mini logo in there. Nice little detail. But yeah, if you don't mind some expensive repairs on this, it's gonna be a lot of fun if you can get it up and running correctly. Moving on. All right, everyone, I've been trying to find this vehicle out here. I saw it online and I could not locate it. 2006 Chrysler 300 SRT8. That's right. I believe this is the 425 horsepower Chrysler 300, which unfortunately I just see it has a zip tie down here. This car, I'm going to go out on a limb and say is probably rode hard and put away wet. But we're going to find out. Some idiot has painted the wheels black with the $2 can of Krylon from Walmart. That's always a wise choice. I got an idea. How about leaving it alone the way it was? Because now it just, well, you went from a 425 horsepower, boss-looking vehicle to this. I guess you could probably get a power washer and wash that off from there. I don't know. Got a little, I don't know, something going on there. Then again, I'll get my words done here in a second. Not a new car. They've also, I guess, they spray painted the chrome, which is now coming off. So they did the same thing for this, which is now coming off. So it's going to take some work. The interior may be trashed. I don't know. We're seeing this together. This is very dirty. Okay, wow. Is the car on fire? Seriously. You know what? I think it actually is. Holy shit. Let's pull the keys out of this thing real quick. Yeah, okay. So that's gonna be a no. That's gonna be a no. Well, that's the first for the channel. Do I dare raise the hood? I will if I can find the latch, I guess. I feel something under here. Aha, hold on. Hold on, there we go. We're about to get it. So, uh, yeah, well, that's not factory. The K&N filter is not factory. I'm curious about the smoke. I pulled the keys out of it real quick. The battery must be located in the trunk, I guess, for weight or room. I'm going to open that door again because if it is on fire somewhere, I probably should tell somebody about that. And I'm going to try to remember this is C76. So, yeah. Let's open this. Got some hail damage up there. Let's go ahead and reopen this door and see. No, it's still smoking. So I need to tell somebody about this. All right, folks. I don't know where, but where the fire's coming from, but the car is definitely smoking. So I need to find someone who works here and get that battery disconnected right now. Well, all right, folks, I guess with that, we'll go ahead and wrap up this edition of the Fuzzy Dice Motors dealer auction walk around. Yes, we are on Rumble, YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, and who knows, maybe someplace else. If you like what we're doing up here, please, if you would, it's free. Like, comment, subscribe, do what you want to do. Do what you know the right thing is to do. And as always, folks, better cars, best prices. It's Fuzzy Dice or no dice.